guys, welcome back to the channel. We are in the 2018 Mustang GT and I'm in the Kirky, and boy is it comfortable. This is living, people. I'm telling you, there's so much support. It's heated, it's cooled, and I think I need to go to the chiropractor. So today we are headed over to none other than, first of all, before I say where we're going, I've been meaning and needing to do this mod for a long time. Typically this is the first mod I do to any car, and I don't know why it's taken me so damn long to do this, but when I first got the car I planned on doing it, and then next thing I know the car was under the knife and we were putting a turbo kit on it. So I really didn't have much time to get this mod done. However, I've been meaning to do this since the first day I had the car. So we are headed over to none other than Elite Window Tinting, owned by Mr. Skylar Johnson and his family. And they do definitely the best window tinting in the Panhandle, if not in the state of Texas, if not in the United States of America. Go to Elite Window Tinting. Quit playing with yourself, man. Come on. So they also now do Expel. They're an authorized installer for Expel films if you want to protect the paint on your vehicle, which I have plans to wrap this car, so I'm not going to get the Expel done. However, if I wasn't going to, I would definitely Expel the car. But now they even have like this stealth version, which is pretty cool because it's kind of like if you wrapped your car in a matte finish. So like if you want to protect your paint and make it look a little bit different, you could get the Expel Stealth, which looks really cool. But anyways, that's not what we're doing today. We are getting the windows finally tinted in the Tang because fishbowl life is not cool. Don't ever let your friends live the fishbowl life. It's not a cool life unless you want to be single and not be cool. Fishbowl life is not cool. So we are headed over to Elite Window Tinting today to get the Tang finally tinted. It's gonna look so good. Tinting is one of those things that it's like a minimal mod, but it changes the whole look of a vehicle. I'm telling you, like you'll see when the Mustang is tinted, it will look completely different. And plus all the benefits, like your car isn't hot on the inside, your interior doesn't fade, your interior lasts longer, and you just look cooler. You don't want to be the guy living in a fishbowl, because that's what I've been doing for the last 6 months, living in a fishbowl. And this car's been on jack stand, so that's the reason too. But we are headed over to Elite Window Tinting, and oh, little BMW wants some action. No, you don't, girl. No, you don't. Trust me. Don't mess with me today. I will turn the boost controller on and gap someone. So we're gonna go over to Skylar's. We're gonna see what type of film he's gonna put on. He's got all types of different film. And if you guys have seen my previous videos, my favorite thing to get done over there is the windshield, because that shit is awesome. I've got plenty of videos on the windshield film, but essentially you can't tell that it's tinted. However, it is tinted and it's freaking awesome. But I'll see you guys over there. right, Mr. Skylar Johnson of Elite Window Tinting, what'd you do today?
Today we have in the Tang-Stang. It is an 1850, which of course y'all know. So we did some window tinting for David here. We went on and put not the low end of the film, but we did more of a ceramic film. It's middle of the road. It's 88% infrared rejection. We do use XPEL. This is the XR. They do have an XR Plus, which is a 98% infrared rejection. So yeah, you're definitely gonna like this with your street car, man.
Especially I got no AC.
Yeah. We did legal limit on the front 2 windows, as well as 15 over the rear, and stuff like that.
Hey, my car's actually legal for once.
Oh, I know.
That looks really good.
Oh yeah, no, it turned out really nice. I was gonna say it's a universal black film. It's not green charcoal or anything. It's like the cheaper films, and it's a ceramic, so you're not getting your basic dyed film. You're getting new Dage.
Yeah, so this isn't your regular old school tint.
Now, this is a little bit more. A lot of people go and spend around about $300 usually for about a tint job. This ceramic entry-level stuff, you're looking at about $450. It does depend on what kind of vehicle that you have and stuff like that, and then it goes all the way up to the 98% infrared rejection, which can reach into your $700 starting out and up and everything like that. So, yeah, definitely.
I'd say it's definitely worth it, though.
Oh yeah, no, ceramic film, it speaks for itself, honestly.
What's the warranty on the ceramic
warranty
stuff?
Is lifetime, transferable warranty. So
Ooh.
man, it goes with the whole entire vehicle.
Damn, I didn't know it's transferable. That's cool.
Oh yeah, no, it's pretty sweet, stuff like that. So.
It looks really good,
got
man.
Any questions on window film? Besides, don't roll them down for at least today.
Yeah, at least today. What if I got to go to Mexico?
Mexico, man, the bubbles might interrupt on the nighttime, dude.
All right, so you guys know where to go. Skylar, Elite Window Tinting. What's
over
the
here
phone
in
number?
the, it is 806-352-1403. You can come over here in the Western Business Park. We are neighbors to Kevin and David, and yeah, come on and check us out, man. So
for the best tint. It looks really good. They also offer XPEL, full line of XPEL to protect all your paint, but man, that looks good. Tint always makes your car look so much better. You don't want to ride no fishbowl.
For the Tang-Stang.
Hell yeah, fishbowl is not the way to go.
Oh yeah.
That looks really good, man. I appreciate it.
Well, thank you, sir.
So huge shout out to Skylar and Cole for hooking it up. The Tang-Stang looks so much better. Man, it just looks so good with tint. I'm telling you, literally the best mod for any car. Window tint. It looks so awesome. The only thing that sucks is that, well, I don't have AC. I don't know what happened to it. I left it at Joe's one time and now the car doesn't have AC. I don't know, I blame Joe for that. So this is going to be a very hot and sweaty, humid ride in the car because I can't roll down the windows because they gotta dry. So huge shout out to Skylar though and Cole for hooking it up. The tint looks awesome. Mustang looks so much better. Make sure you guys, if you're in the area or if you want to travel for some really good tint, you hit up Elite Window Tinting, hit up Skylar. We'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Bambi39. Peace. Small update, still sweating my balls off, but the tint is blocking the sun. I highly recommend Elite Window Tinting.